Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 7 of the Cougar Connection. I hope that everyone had a restful fall break and you're ready to get back to work tomorrow, as we do have several things on our calendar. A lot of the things for this week are simply for the staff, but I'm going to go ahead and announce those anyway. So on Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 8. On Tuesday, there's a vertical team meeting for science and social studies. There's also a board meeting that evening, and Marty Voyers will be joining us at SMS to be principal for the day. On Wednesday, there's an impact meeting and a principals meeting. Also a vertical team meeting for ELA and math. On Thursday, we will have PLCs. There is going to be open enrollment in our lounge for staff. Danny Carpenter will be visiting us to be principal for the day, and we will have vertical team meetings for our library media specialists and our JAG specialists. And then Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. So students, please make sure you wear your Bring It shirts. If you still want to order an extra Bring It shirt, you can do so. There is some information later in the connection. So this week's student spotlight is Miss Katie Hammond. Katie is an 8th grade Silver Snakes team member and is passionate about design and art. You will always find her carrying a sketchbook and beautiful pieces of art that she works on any chance that she gets. Katie's favorite creation to sketch is dresses. She is quite talented in this area and has employed an entrepreneurial spirit this year by creating her first dress based on a sketch that she made. Katie's grandmother is her mentor and helps her by learning how to use the sewing machine and different stitching that are required to create functional clothing. We're incredibly proud of you, Katie, and I look forward to seeing many more of your dresses and your designs come to life this year. So congratulations, Katie. Also, parents, students, don't forget we do have SMS Powderpuff. The sign-ups are going to go through this week, but we would really like to have everyone signed up as soon as possible so those teams can start practicing. It actually, and this is a typo, the cost per game or to play is $20, and that will include your t-shirt. We also have Winter Formal. That is going to be on December the 9th, and it's going to be from 6:30 to 8:30 at SMS. And parents, don't forget, if you need vinyl signs, we do make those now in our library. You can contact Miss Wagner or just call the school to get in contact with her and let her know what things you would like to order. Also, don't forget about our ongoing trips. The cutoff for the Washington, D.C. trip is on Thursday, and we still have the 6th grade trip open. The 7th grade trip is now closed, but we might have room for additional adults to participate in that trip. So if parents are interested in that, please reach out and let us know. And then we still have our Bring It order form down here in the connection, as well as our RADA fundraiser. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.